Hello guys, Daniel here. Welcome all for my vlog. I have visitors today. I have Mr. Collins and Mr. Bravin. They are all from the coastal region. Oh, where are you from, guys?
From South Rift, I
South
guess,
Rift.
yeah.
What about you?
From South.
South Rift.
How has life been here in Kuwait?
It is somehow hell, somehow good.
Why? Can you specify why? The reasons.
No more kubus. I guess the only interesting part of a man is stomach.
Stomach, yeah,
When
so-
it's full, there's no complaint.
How are you, Mr. Collins?
I'm good, sir.
What about you, Mr. Bravin?
I'm very, very fantastic, terrific, and whatever, all the goodies.
I'm very happy to meet you today. Nafurahi sana.
Thank you, shukran.
And actually we met in a foreign country. We are all Kenyans, lakini tulikutana place inaitwa Kuwait.
Brothers in a foreign country.
Yeah, which I'm very happy. Sasa, Mr. Collins, can you tell us nini kilikufanya sana sana ufikirie kutafuta kazi huku Kuwait?
Hustle bana ya Kasongo huko home. Ai madeni ngumu. So you need to tafuta green pastures.
Okay.
But the green pastures are starting to be sucked. Yes, sir.
I knew where you were going. I knew it very well.
Your friend here seems to be very happy. Mr. Bravin,
You know,
what about you?
I knew where he was heading. Okay, it is beyond the expectation. Okay, to me, I won't complain that much. Like him, to me, at least come to the same idea we made together, but at least me, I'm experiencing new environment, since it's
New food.
Yeah, like
Chicken biryani, habibi.
you like
Color.
chicken biryani?
Yes, of course.
Wow, that's good.
Inakaa wewe chakula kimekuvutia sana. Utafika hapo.
Chicken biryani.
Okay, so far, Mr. Collins, is there any challenges that you have faced?
Yeah.
No food.
Weather.
Say
changes.
food. Dog food.
Yes, that-
I know you're
No.
skipping that.
Let us start from the first day. Weather. When we came in, we encountered winter.
Oh yeah.
Saa hii ni joto na bado jaamkia sasa ile joto kamili. Yeah,
You're breathing hot air.
hot air.
What about you, Mr. Bravin?
Okay, the same challenge applies to us. To me, I'm not used to that hot air, the sun,
Climate.
ash weather. Yeah. But you're adapting.
What about the culture here? Because the culture here is different. Is it affecting your day-to-day life?
Freestyle, lifestyle. Can you talk about it maybe?
Not freestyle, but lifestyle and culture.
Sinena kwa freestyle, unajua freestyle is you do what you want. But for you,
We thank God we are men. We dress fully. We don't expose our bodies. So
We are good
dressing
with
code is good. Tamam.
What about the food here? Is it good?
Yeah, of course. Chicken biryani.
And it seems you like chicken biryani. Is there no other food here apart from the chicken and biryani?
kubus.
We don't take.
Escaping from it, and I know you like kubus.
We don't prescribe kubus.
But as to me, let me say this. Since I met you, I've seen you eating. Apart from biryani, I saw you eating some. Is it mikorogo or what do you call them?
Dwelling in Mikorogo.
Why are you not mentioning them?
Mikorogo, you know, it's very cheap and we're so economical.
No. Chapati. Mkorogo za kubus. Your sisters.
Like your sisters, eh?
Yeah, it's kubus. Back at home is korogos.
Korogos, huh? Anyway, guys, thank you for today. I'm very happy. We shall continue from there. We shall find time and talk more. Anyway, you are very welcome in Kuwait.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.